Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to hide Google Map location history. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe we all know that if you're using Google Map and whenever you go any place or etc., Google Map there is a history for your timeline when it was that time, the blah blah blah. So you might be don't want to let Google Maps save or give you history that whenever you went, where you went, etc. things. So you can easily from now you can easily browse Google Map or use Google Map as a guest like incognito mode. That means whatever activities you do, whenever you go anywhere, Google Map not going to save anything. For that, if I open my Google Map, I will see in the upper side there is my profile icon. If I click there will be a new option which is called Turn On Incognito Mode. That means if I turn it on and whatever activities I do, Google Map not going to save it. Maybe in your Google Maps it is not appear. If it is not appear, you have to update your Google Maps from Play Store. Just go on your Play Store and type here maps and you will find here maps, and if it is any update, simply update it, and hopefully after update you will get this option which is Turn On Incognito Mode. Let me share with you how you can use this integrated mode. For that, just simply click here Turn On Incognito Mode and it will give you into incognito mode, and it will give you like this option. Simply click here close, and from now whatever activities or whatever you do or whatever search in Google Maps, it's nothing going to save in your Google Maps. So after you done everything and you had used etc., maybe you want to return back normal mode, you can do so same way. Just click this human icon and click here Turn Off Incognito Mode, and it will give you the normal mode. So this is how you can easily use Google Map as a guest browser or as a incognito mode. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.